Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Position the fork in your left hand with the tines angled slightly down, and place the spoon in your right with the bowl up for scooping. Once done, use the fork to steady food while the spoon collects it. Make sure to keep wrists relaxed and elbow close to your body. This initial alignment gives control and prevents spills, so practice with a single bite size to calibrate pressure and reach before moving on to multiple pieces. Once you have a stabilizing fork position, press down gently to hold the food while you cut with a knife. Cut into 1/2-inch pieces for easy handling. Then, depending on texture, either spear the pieces onto the fork or slide them onto the spoon. Use the spoon for sauces and liquids so nothing drips. Make sure to coordinate both hands. Fork steadies, spoon collects, and using both together keeps every bite balanced and polite at the table. To finish each bite, bring the spoon to your mouth edge first and the fork in a comfortable angle. Remember cultural differences, but prioritize control to avoid spills. Once done with a pause, rest utensils on the plate parallel or stack them gently when meal is complete. This signals you're finished. If something slips, stop and reposition rather than rushing. And if a spill happens, use your napkin to clean the rim. This keeps the meal tidy and prevents embarrassment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.